66. So pretty, you'll see Amarillo and got up to Mexico, bags of Arizona, don't forget Arizona, big San Pascal, St. Bernardino, would you get him to this kind of tip and go take that California trip and get your kicks on Route 66. Get your cake.